Met Office issues a 5-day Arctic blast warning. Warnings have been issued by the UK Met Office ahead of a significant decrease in temperatures. Snowfall may linger up to 5 days in certain parts of the country when the present warm November weather is replaced by a blast of cold. The extreme north of Scotland might see temperatures as low as -7 degrees Celsius the week beginning November 23, according to the weather forecasting site WXCharts. The cold isn't going to spare England, as the Express points out. Temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit are possible even in the southern part of the nation. The Met Office has warned that dense fog may blanket huge swaths of the country at the start of the week, resulting in dangerous driving conditions. The National Weather Service advised motorists to use additional caution Thursday morning because of severe fog patches. The Met Office also provided some tips for driving in fog, such as familiarizing yourself with your fog lights, without using the full beam, leaving enough distance in front of you, setting the heater to demist, and utilizing your windows to assist you hear incoming vehicles. East Midlands, North West England, South West England, West Midlands, Wales, and Yorkshire and Humber are all predicted to have limited visibility, according to The Sun, and while the nation will likely clear over the morning, it appears like it will stay cloudy throughout the country. There is a chance of snow later this week in Scotland before it reaches portions of northern England, Wales, and East Anglia at the end of the month. The fog will be followed by temperatures in the double digits.